Now we are discussing about information technology. In that today we are discussing about 7 tips to optimize website. Search engine optimization. SEO is optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages for relevant keywords and phrases. Optimizing your website's design can improve its overall user experience and increase the likelihood of visitors engaging with your content. First tip to optimize a website is make navigation easy. Websites are made to inform visitors about your products and services. According to research, users prefer a website that makes it simple to discover information. It should also be simple, smooth, and easy to move between pages. Offering a sitemap on the page is the greatest way to simplify navigating. One on the main or landing page, users can access any page. Finding this information will be simple, all because of such a service. And second tip to optimize website is choose SEO friendly domain. The domain must indicate both market perceptions and the frequent product related searches your target market does. Choose a domain name that indicates IT services of the website is about software or IT services. The target audience may relate to your online brand, making your web design in Melbourne seem more trustworthy. Choose a domain name that will help you stand out in your sector. Also, the name should be original while eliciting trust from potential customers. When the target audience searches for the information about your industry, pick a name that appears somewhere in the results. Next point is mobile responsive. Next tip, third tip to optimize website is mobile responsive website. Website visitors can use a range of devices to access these platforms. Mobile responsive is also must. So if mobile response is there, they can see frequently according to their time and gap. Among them are telephones, laptops and desktop computers, yet they do employ a range of programming languages and operating systems. Your website must provide access from all of these platforms without compromising the accuracy of the data collected. Making a website that is compatible with mobile devices is very crucial. According to research, more people visit mobile websites than conventional ones. A web design is a lead that is not mobile responsive will lose out to other websites in the same sector. And next point is fourth tip to optimize website is social media connection. Add social media connection options for your website. Networking sites are extremely useful tools for engaging and better SEO. It will assist you in driving more visitors to your website, improving visibility and boosting your chances of making sales. Social media gives you several chances to change up your material. Some assist you in using visuals to market your company, while others rely heavily on words. There are social media platforms for both video and short form content. Using a variety of social platforms also helps in expanding your audience. All of your clients will receive service from you via their preferred channel. And the fifth tip of optimizing website is caption your photos and videos. Successful SEO tactics mainly rely on how search engine spiders receive your web design impact. In other words, these search spiders perceive your content will determine how well you do. However, very little technology is still available to understand the information in photographs and movies. Because of this, you must continue to read the details. For the search engine spiders, captioning is the only secure method to ensure these search spiders record the data. Your photos and videos captions should contain pertinent keywords. Such captioning raises the photographs and videos organic search rankings. Also, it makes them more competitive when users look for certain materials such as movies and images. And the next point is add fresh content search engines. Adore, sixth point, that is the sixth tip to optimize website is add fresh content to search engines. Adore new information. Any outdated articles will be noted and given a poor ranking. Even every time your target audience visits the site, they search for new information. Their desire to visit your website will wane. If they consistently land on the same pages, employ qualified writers to provide fresh, interesting content. Old articles should be taken down and new blog entries should be added. Revise and repurpose old articles to include new information and revise your presentational style. It gives your website a new look and makes it more appealing to visitors. And seventh tip to optimize website is use links. Links both within and outside of the user website increase its credibility. They serve as testimonials for your business and content. Each variety of connection has unique benefits. This is the information to optimize your website. Wishing you all the best.